the chair. Teddy is hiding. Where? Where? Cars and dolls are all around. Let's pick them up from the ground. Clean up, let's go fast. Put toys away, make it last. Pick it up, don't be slow. Ready, set, go, go, go. Pick up the car, vroom, vroom, vroom. Put it nicely in its room. Teddy bear says, thank you so. Blocks go back, stack them slow. Clean up, let's go fast. Put toys away, make it last. Pick it up, don't be slow. Ready, set, go, go, go. Who's the fastest? Can you win? Clean your toys and put them in. Clap your hands and spin around. Let's make magic tidy sound. Clean up, shout hooray. All our toys are put away. Nice and clean, look around. Happy room, no messes found. Great job! Should we clean again? Ready, set,